All right, a quick update on Stronghold here. So the last time we were looking at Stronghold, we were looking at potentially a very bullish that it had formed here, a pendant out for this strong move. But since then, you can see it looks like it's forming a bull flag. So keeping it real simple, looking here, going from this low to the high, you can see it already hit the 618 at 006, currently at 007, and it is sitting right back on top of the point 0.5 at 0072 here. So we're going to get this off of the chart. So we've been watching pretty much the much larger Fibonacci here in this pattern. It is breaking down below the 2272, so simply watch those smaller price targets here, and any lower than that 618, any lower than about 59, then this flag pattern is not playing out and she's going to fall off the table, potentially back down to the 003 level here. Of course, this level here could hold as support, so we will simply draw a support line just about there and turn this thing green and say that if this thing decides to fall off the table here below that 618 where that wick ends right there at the bottom of that flag pattern at about 6, you could potentially catch support and drop 33% down to about 005. And any lower than that, of course, you're going to that 003, but that's a pretty massive drop. So watch that support level, watch those smaller support levels, and if this bull flag is going to play out, then we could potentially draw our flagpole here and get potentially a measured move. So let's grab this pole, move this up, and depending on where you draw this at, it could give you a target, but it looks like you're headed up to that 3-2 or the 3618 rather. So don't put too much weight into the flagpole here. I would keep it simple. As long as you hold over that support level, watch 008. Once you're back over that level, then you do have the 2618 here. And going from where we are right now, sitting on that smaller 0.5 support, you can see an 83% move up to 13. Once you break through the 23 or the 2618 rather at 1 penny, then you can see we have 5 pennies in play, and that would be a 6x 600% move up to the 3618 on Stronghold here. So yeah, a lot to take in, but you can see we're on the 3-day chart here. The 3-day and the weekly chart on the stock RSI is resetting, so out of this pattern here, this thing could be gearing up to go. So just keep an eye on those levels, and we will see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Peace out.